pop.
Hey, they said they got a report on the inquiry on the US or something. They got they talking about Kingdom Blue got a pilots already.
There you go.
Oh!
That's what's look at it. That's what's excellent. Excellent. One time. And she did it. Oh, yeah. That's what's up. Good.
She's my baby.
Bye.
She's angry.
What is that? Let me see that.
That's a picture that I found. Oh, I have a lock.
Let me see that.
Bye.
You know, I got a prison picture of Mexico. Keep that. We go through all kind of shit. Now, still right there.
That's so cool.
She come through here. It's a trip. It shows how certain things are taught and certain things are. But people can't tell me certain things are born with. She's a perfect example. When she come through here, all she sees is people. She don't see
people. Human beings.
And she look.
She love it all.
Hey, when she get the baby, I'm
showing love more.
She said her mom is
like a baby, you know, baby.
Her mom's what?
Her mom always been with another woman. You know, I think
That's her sister.
That's her sister.
Her husband, that's her husband right there.
I thought that.
It's a brunette and a blonde. Blonde got the short hair, that's her baby.
I always thought that was
The auntie is the one with the long hair.
both of them, when I see them,
Both, they look just alike though. They look like
a couple.
they look like look at the
But
they get out like that. They kiss and hug.
Nice.
She's so naive
honor and all that shit.
Good looking out for
You know, I mean, she just knows what she knows. I mean, she just see people for what they are. She walked on that side, and she was going by every day, and she was seeing who was around, and she's been around her, and she noticed what they do every day. You know what I'm saying? You know, she see them laughing all the time, and when she get by them, she start laughing. Cause she, you know what I'm saying? And that's what she does. When she come through here, she's all smiles because we always clowning. You know what I'm saying? And so now we just, hey, how you doing? But she don't know.
She's not being taught to hate at home.
We got some other kids. They can come through here, they run out the street. They said a big yellow dude right there, they hear him hollering, they look down the street, see him, when they get right there, they haul ass. That's crazy. That's a good friend, man.
That's one thing I like about this t-shirt, bro. Look, she sends you the PowerPoint. Every week she sends you the PowerPoint.
Where you going to school at? Mount Everest?
Everest.
Stop it.
Everest.
You know that commercial do say, come on.
Matter of fact,
You can do it.
what's the name? What's the name? Son's on there. And what's the
You know, I don't want to see
Bow Wow was on there.
Everest it's a for-profit college.
I drove my kids crazy, man.
I want that right. They charge you.
All the motherfuckers for profit.
Nah. Regular universities, so they're non-profits, but they need funding to stay going. But they're not for profit.
Right.
This school is
This school is for profit. In other words, I need to get paid.
Well, see, what that's saying,
We're going to charge you more.
We're going to charge you more
we're
because we're
going to
going to
pay for
guarantee
your
you
books, and we're going to pay for my Lincoln.
Then they're going to guarantee you a job.
Well, see, that's a guarantee that's made in the wood, though. When you go to them, what's the name of this? What's this ITT Tech? Over here?
What kind of degree?
Over here by Wayside?
Almost finished.
That's ITT Tech, right? One of the baddest motherfucking institutions in the United States.
Got like about,
Any kind of technical.
actually, I got 6 more months to finish my first year.
Well, they guarantee results. 97%
what she learns,
graduation
I got 3
rate.
more months to finish my first year. January I'm through.
Man, shit, that's like ain't nobody going unemployed unless they just didn't finish school.
January I knocked out my
But
first
if you
year.
get to, it's like being
January
an engineer though, if you
2016,
get the information.
walking across the
Shit,
street,
ain't no
get my
problem.
AA degree.
Oh, no, you can't.
That's what you transferring to.
No, I'm talking about you got the information.
I'm not, they got a bachelor's
You can't just have the information, but don't have the talent to do
but
with the information, the work the program.
You just don't get your bachelor's at go to a university or junior college or something. I haven't decided where I would transfer to.
No, it's what, you know, when you make, depending on what your GPA is, 3.5 or better, you know, that'll transfer to any college in the nation. They will accept you in any college. Then irrespective of your ACT score or your SAT. go in
Keep
and
that grade out.
once you have an AA or
That's the only way you're going to keep this
or
money,
a
too.
terrible
You got-
amount of units, you know how to transfer to any college in the nation. Washington.
You gotta take the right
like
courses.
Yale and Harvard.
I kind of felt like
I need to park my truck. I'll be right back.
I'm telling you, this is what you missed. This is why I said
not
don't
easy.
do it. Why would
Not
it-
easy, but I'm doing a lot better than I expected.
We'll be impeccable with your words. You know, I study a whole bunch. I'm up under the Islam thing, but I study Buddhism. Be impeccable with your words. When you say it's not easy, that's just a friend of mine. When we think that things are hard or whatever, it's a task. It may be taking some energy, maybe time, consuming or whatever. But once you put it in certain parameters in your mindset, it becomes it. You know what I'm saying? Like for instance, I was up all night. I got about 3 hours sleep last night. And if you settle out, those are the days when I do a gang of shit. They check this out, man. The days when you feel like, my nigga, those is free days. The only motherfucking days that count, right? The only motherfucking days that count. The days you feel like doing it. But not only did you do it, you did it well. You made meticulous attention to the details, but you did it well. Because today, I didn't feel like doing this shit. Not only did I do it, man, I did it well. I didn't half-ass, do I do a shoddy job? Hard ain't no hard. Ain't no failure. Man, once you understand certain things in life, man, ain't no hard. Man, it's just some task. If you're physically capable, you're mentally capable of doing it, it's just some shit you gotta do. Kick back, give you time, man. Be impeccable with your work. It's what Buddha said. Things you speak over, things become your existence. Be impeccable with your work.
I was expecting it to be hard, so it surprised when I got a 4.0. So it made me think like, are they giving it to me like I'm supposed to get it? You know what I mean, or not? So I really won't be able to compare that until I go to another college. I'll check out what type of teaching is being brought to another school.
I digress.
At the same time, I do work though. I study.
I digress. I disagree. If I give you a
study.
book, listen to this. Irrespective of how you think they give it to you, right? Say I take psych. Book about this thick, study pamphlet about that thick, and I'm doing an internet class. I can't stand on my face. There ain't no personal interaction. I've never cheated in college. But anyway, so I got this big ass 800-page book. I got this study pamphlet. I got this fucked up ass instructor. This stupid ass motherfucker. He don't email me. I send my work. He don't even get back at me. A week later, the grade's supposed to be posted 3 days ago. This chicken shit motherfucker ain't even posted them. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else, the grades is popping up. He ain't even doing what he's supposed to do as an instructor. Nevertheless, I'm doing me. If I take this 800-page book, and he says study chapter 1 through 5, test me. Then we're on 5 through 10. Study why? For that, motherfuckers worry about passing the test. I worry about making an A. I ain't never stressed on Pat. Man, that's a given. My question is, how high is the A gonna be? I got to prepare for if I make a low grade. So this shit gonna average out the middle. That said, are they giving it to you? You gonna get it anyway. It's impossible for me to hand you an 800-page book, and depending on your long-term memory recall, for you not to get it. It's impossible. Fuck what they going through.
I guess it was a process of me surprising myself because I never applied myself. You know what I mean? I never applied myself in that aspect. Only time I really applied myself like that is when I had that life sentence.
You underestimated.
When I had that life sentence, I applied myself.
You remember when we was talking about law? Hey, Mike, remember we was talking about law? You said you got your own
paralegal studies degree. My degree in paralegal studies.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? It was a trip, man. Let me tell you.
That's my shit.
The years
I love the law.
I love the law.
The years I was in.
That's what
I
you really
never thought about.
Oh.
I never thought about trying to fix
Let me
it.
show you something. Let's read it for yourself.
Well, I'm gonna go get something for you. What is that? BA31148. Hold on, I gotta remember this case. I'm gonna show you something. Check this out, man. I go pro per. This is the case too. Me and C-Note up in the motherfucking Bon Air Motel. The company kicked the door in while I was working in the car. Boop, in my name. Room in my name. Keys in my pocket. Car in my name. Work in my car. I go to trial meeting. I go pro per from arraignment in the closed street. I take it all the way to the trial. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna get it for my son. I wrote my son when I was facing 12. So if I get booked, I'm gonna take care of your mom. I'm gonna tell him Dominic and your mom fucking with the trial, they gonna think I'm crazy. Fuck goes goes to trial against the motherfuckers do this shit every day. Oh, by the way, college degrees, military, all that bullshit I done, my most proudest moment was when I got an acquittal. Fuck with me, I ain't no motherfucker. I did that grind and sit up in that motherfucking study. Every day I'm hustling. Hey, what's up, fellas? Oh man, Johnny.
1970 Chevy.
That's right.
Hey, what year is that Chevy right there? That is a Chevy. What year is that Chevy, man? It's a Chevy Impala all day.
I better say 67, 66.
Convertible. Drop top.
67. What year?
Hey, what year is that, Papa? 69. All day. I had a 71 like that.
Every time I buff, you know when I do my workout? I always pause at 69. It's for me and my kids. Race to 100. What is it?
Peanuts.
I'm always in for a nut. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is, man.
Nutty
Yeah.
Rock. Nutty Rock. Nutty Rock. Nutty
Look,
Rock 12.
start stripping out.
I'm talking about my ice cream.
Look around.
You got my charger, my phone in your charger?
Yeah. Turn the key back. Subject of this. Hey, say we are hosting an event here at the White House on September 17th.